pounds, which is what I'm making today. And I'm making just regular straight AirCrete with the formulas that everybody says is the 94 pounds of cement, and then the pounds of water, which works out to 6 gallons, is 50.76. Numbers are rounded at the point after the point, but which equals 144.76 pounds, and then 42 gallons of foam is what everybody says is the standard mix for the 94. So I basically just took those numbers, worked backwards. So 6 pounds, 3.25 pounds of water, and 2.68 gallons of foam, which is 1,029 grams of solution. Now this is, which comes out to 36.29691 ounces, or 2.268556875 pounds. This is 2.27 pounds, and this is how much water. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how much water. Let me get around here. That's how much water is in 6. That is a fair amount of water. It's 2.27 pounds. So that's how much water is just in 6 pounds, which is funny because that's 2.268, and we're only putting in 3.25 pounds of water. So we're almost doubling, because of the foam, we're almost doubling the water content, or at least by 2/3. So I'm going to get this set up. I'm going to weigh out my, let me get my foam solution. I'll leave this camera on while I do that real quick. I want to make sure you can see. And I'm going to take my bucket over here, which is going to be my foam, and I'm going to weigh out my quart container to make sure my foam weight is right. So, start my foam up. Okay. There we go. I love this foam machine. This foam machine works great. Alright, so straight that off. See what my weight is on my foam here. Turn it about 2 grams. Okay, grams. Come on. 148. Just a little bit. So I got 0.33. So I need to decrease the foam just a little bit. There we go. Check that. I'm going to use this foam here. Okay. Stick that down there. $127, that's great. Okay, so that's all I have to do there. Good solution. Now, what I want to do, because what nobody has done actually is when they make the foam, there's part of that foam that actually turns into liquid fairly fast. Like 10 minutes. Not a lot, but it does. It separates. So I think that it's important to make your foam exactly when you want to use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my water that I need for this mix, which is 3.25 pounds. I'm going to get that set up, and so I'm going to get all my stuff set up. I'm going to go outside. We're going to mix this. Hopefully my air hose will reach out there. I'm going to do it all outside. So I can't do it in my kitchen, obviously. I guess I could until my wife gets here. But anyway, and then I'll be back and we'll put these in the containers and see how that works out. And I got these little containers. They throw these away at work, and they're actually it's like a non-stick lining because we make glue, and the glue doesn't stick to these, but it sticks to everything else. Trust me. We make industrial glue, so I'm going to use some of these to pour some test batches in because they're free, and it won't stick to the sides, and it should give me a nice finish. I'm thinking some of these even smaller would make nice bricks. And this would make a nice brick, actually. It's good. It's wide enough and it's tall enough, and that would make a good brick if I could put something in the center and make it like a brick. Could almost make perfect bricks out of these. So, I don't know. That's just something I'm going to play with. But I'll be back.